it's Vape Tech Unboxed, and today we're gonna be taking a look at what's in my vape box for the month of April. But before I begin this video, I just want to say I hope you're all having a fantastic day or night wherever you are, and I love you guys, but you already know that, so let's jump into this video. You already have it down.
Oh,
girl.
and by the way, her wife is here. Whoa.
I haven't gotten there yet. I was getting the package. In today's video, just like the previous vape box videos, I have my wife, Nikki, to help me. We are going to be trying out the liquids for you guys. I'm doing it this way so that way we can get through all of the liquids, because when I'm doing it by myself, I just don't have the time. Like, the video runs too long. Anywho, this is Nikki. Say what's up, boo.
Hello,
Say what's
hello.
up. Are you ready for this month's?
I am ready. I got my e-cig here.
Alright, I gotta go look for my e-cig after we get the box unboxed. Let's do it!
Let's do it. There's the box.
There it is, just like every month's vape box.
Yep, looks the same.
It looks exactly the same. If you guys are interested in picking up a subscription for yourself, my referral code will be down below. It gives you guys a little discount on your first month's box. So it's gonna be the first link in the description. Ooh, this one looks nice.
Cool. So we got the menu on the top, and we have some cool little visual on the top of the box.
The cool little design they sent this month, that looks pretty dope.
Yes.
It's actually like an old typewriter. That is sick.
I know, that looks really cool. I like that.
You want to go through them as I pull them out?
Yep, start pulling.
Okay guys, so just like every month, the menu here is going to tell us what the liquid is, what milligram, and the retail price. It also sends, it also talks about the hardware, the value of your box, and if you flip it around to the back, you get your warnings and safety for your batteries, your liquids, your hardware, all that fun stuff. All right, they sent white paper this month. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I see something pretty.
Something pretty.
All right, first one up, we have Speed Vapor.
All right, so Speed Vapor, this is the original strawberry shortcake. This is a 70% VG. It retails for 20 bucks. It is 3 milligrams nicotine, and it is a 30 ml bottle.
20 bucks right there.
Yeah, 20 bucks.
All right, the next one up we have Unstoppable.
All right, Unstoppable is a crispy marshmallow rice treat. It retails for 15 bucks, 80% VG, 3 milligrams, and a 30 ml bottle.
Alrighty, that sounds bomb.
Yeah, that's probably gonna be the one you like. And that's gonna be the one I
Simply
like.
watermelon.
Yeah. This is a juicy watermelon flavor in its purest form. Bring It To Me, that retails for $18, 70% VG, 3 mils, and a 30 ml bottle.
It actually smells so good. If you guys don't know, watermelon is Nikki's favorite flavor.
That is like my downfall. I love watermelon. I just love watermelon flavored dirt, watermelon flavored whatever.
Dirt.
Give it to me and I'll eat it. I will eat it.
You might like this one too. This one's called the Hailberry. Okay,
this is from Mighty Vapors, and it is a boysenberry strawberry shisha. Ooh, that's cool.
Okay.
Retails for 20 bucks, 70%, and this is a 60 milliliter bottle.
60 ml. Look at that's a big freaking bottle.
Isn't shisha the stuff that you smoke out of a hookah?
Yeah.
Interesting.
That is interesting. The last thing they sent out is our hardware, and this one's called the Blazer Pro Game Changer.
Ooh, so this says Sense Blazer Pro Sub OHM Tank Highly Appraised Blazer Performance Series with a perfect balance of flavor and vapor production. So this retails for $35.
They sent over a really cool one. As you guys can see there, it's like a rainbow color.
Ooh,
yeah, you're gonna like this one.
Oh, that's sick. Oh my god.
I bet you I know which tank you're gonna be smoking out of.
That is so cool. She always tries to give me her new stuff.
Ooh, look how big this is.
It's huge.
Look at how big this is, guys. This is a big freaking tank.
Yeah,
oh my gosh. And it's like rainbowy. This is dope. So it comes with the coil already inside.
Ooh,
okay.
2 backups or 1 backup?
One. You got 1 backup coil. These coils are massive.
They're huge. Mine looks like a little tiny peepee little coil compared to that. Oh my god.
Wow.
That holds like double the juice than the Crown 3.
Wow, I actually might switch over.
Yeah, I think you should use that one for a while.
So it comes with a bunch of extra goodies, you guys. O-rings, a little top so that way you can put a smaller mouthpiece in it. Yeah. And an extra glass, of course. If you guys are curious about this tank, I'm probably gonna fill it up tonight and start using it. So I will update you on my Instagram and Snapchat. So make sure you guys go follow me there and I'll let you guys know how it's doing or what I think of it.
So before we get started in the fun stuff, the total milliliters of liquid that they sent us was 150 milliliters. The total retail value of this box was $108.
Nice.
We only paid 60 bucks for it and we saved $48.
Now it's time to try it. And as you can see, I'm still using the box mod they sent during Box Mod Madness, March Madness or whatever. What flavors you getting?
I'm trying this one. You guys already know, the watermelon.
Watermelon?
Which one do you want?
I'm gonna try the strawberry shortcake. Get that out of here.
I wish my life would just smell like watermelon. Watermelon and rain. If I could just walk around smelling rain.
You mean dirt?
Yeah, wet dirt. Oh, you guys comment down below if you guys like the smell of wet dirt. Like right when it rains and the dirt is wet and you're just like, smells so good.
So nasty. Strawberry shortcake, watermelon. Here we go.
Let it marinate. Let it marinate in there.
Mmm. Wowzers. Oh my gosh, that tastes like heaven.
This one tastes like heaven.
No, can you smell mine?
No, I just smell mine.
Watch.
Do it again. Oh.
Yeah. You smell.
I'm like, that does smell good. That smells like a flavor I like.
Yeah.
Okay, this one's mine too.
No, it smells so good.
You get the rice treat. That one does smell really, really good. It smells like a... It smells like a custardy type of flavor,
It
which
smells
the ones
bomb.
that I like. Yeah.
Yeah, it smells so bomb. I'm gonna soak that tank with that strawberry shortcake, cause I just want to eat it.
She loves it.
I love her it. She's gonna try the strawberry shisha, and this one is rice treat. Woo, this one smells really really desserty.
Yeah, see, nope, I can't smoke that. It makes me want to like vomit. This one kind of tastes like medicine that you used to take when you were a kid.
This one is real desserty, guys. So if you guys like, and this one's the Unstoppable from Vape Company. If you guys like really, really desserty flavors, that's exactly what this is.
Yeah, this one kind of tastes like cough syrup. It's kind of good and fruity, but it kind of has like a medicine kind of aftertaste. Maybe that's just because right now it's mixed with watermelon, it's mixed with what it is, and then with cotton candy and candy cane, so there's like a lot.
I know the strawberry shortcake is supposed to be a dessert too, you guys, but that one has like a really, really good sweet flavor. This one just tastes like it's like a donut-y flavor maybe. I've said this before and I'll say it again. If you guys have a vape shop near you guys need to ask them to make you cotton candy and candy cane mixed together. And take this down, take a note. Do 70% cotton candy and 30% candy cane. I promise you that's going to be your ultimate favorite flavor. That's literally the only flavor we smoke, which I like getting these vape boxes because I usually get vapor's tongue. If you guys don't know what that means, it just means you've been smoking a flavor for too long and you stop tasting the flavor. That's why we get vape box.
Yeah, we like to smoke something else in the mix, but we always have a bottle of where we get it from. It's called Snowflake.
But anyways, you guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys for joining us. I want to send a big shout out to everybody I've shown love on our other channel. That link is going to be down below for you guys, along with our social medias. So if you guys want to go follow me on Instagram, keep up with this tank and whatever else you guys want to know, that's where it's going to happen. If you guys want to follow Nikki on her social medias too, that's going to also be down below for you guys. And also, Nikki has a channel where she does makeup tutorials and makeup stuff like that. If you guys are into that, if you guys want to see makeup tutorials, really awesome ones, go check her out. Her channel link is also in the description for you guys. We love each and every single one of you guys. Y'all better stay freaking dope, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.